Alright, folks, today we're diving into the exciting world of Apache Kafka. So, what exactly is Apache Kafka? Well, it's a distributed streaming platform that is designed to handle real-time data feeds with high throughput and fault tolerance. Now, let's talk about the architecture of Kafka. It consists of topics, partitions, producers, consumers, and brokers. Topics are the categories to which records are published. Partitions allow data to be distributed across multiple servers. Producers publish records to topics. Consumers subscribe to topics and process the records. And brokers are the servers that manage the storage and retrieval of records. But how does Kafka actually work? It operates on a publish-subscribe model where producers publish data to topics and consumers subscribe to these topics to receive the data. The data is stored in partitions within topics and replicated across multiple brokers for fault tolerance. Now, let's look at some real-world use cases of Kafka in startups like Swiggy and Zomato. These food delivery giants use Kafka to handle real-time order processing, tracking, and delivery updates. Kafka enables them to scale their operations efficiently and ensure seamless communication between various components of their systems. For startups, the benefits of using Kafka are immense. It provides high throughput, low latency, fault tolerance, and scalability, making it ideal for handling large volumes of data in real time. Kafka's ability to process data streams in a distributed and fault-tolerant manner is a game changer for startups looking to build robust and scalable systems. In conclusion, Apache Kafka is a powerful tool that revolutionizes the way data is handled in real-time applications. Its architecture, working principles, and benefits make it a must-have for startups looking to scale their operations and deliver exceptional user experiences. So, if you're in the world of tech or data processing, Apache Kafka is definitely worth exploring.